I asked her if she wanted 2 ponies or 1, and she said 2. Come here, show me your hair. You look gorgeous. You look so pretty. Look at all that hair you've got growing. See, there's no more troll Audrey.
A very pretty girl.
I think she looks gorgeous. Audrey, where's your nose? Your arm is not your nose, you silly goose. You know better.
Audrey. Nose.
Toes.
Ears.
That's ears. Ear, very good. Where's your eyes? Eyes. Eyes.
Good.
Good job. Mouth. Yep, mouth.
Audrey J. Say cheese. One more time, baby. Look at me. That's a good one.
It was a good one. You and your poofies. That looks cute. Do you like it, Audrey? Is that a good picture?
You're so sweet.
Yeah, you like your pigtail? Don't pull it out. You gotta leave it there. Okay, we'll see you New Year's Eve.